Well, yan po si Mayor Boy Tinares, si Ron Rosario, si Lito Mundial, si Boy Lomo natin.
Paliwanag mo saan? Ginaw na ginaw si Lito?
Well, umuulan eh.
Oo, ginawin yan eh.
Ginawin, oo.
Ginawin yan eh, oo.
Tinamaan po ng maganda doon si Guliman. Pero nakatayo pa ho rin, no? Kita naman ninyo mga
Oo.
binibitawan ni Sansona.
Si Referee Garcia medyo tumitingin ng iba eh, no?
Well,
Will he step in
Oo,
na?
inaabangan niya kung matatama naman at babagsak, aawatin niya. Ito po ang maraming nanonood po namin dito sa Inares Plaza.
Round 3 scheduled for 4. Seb Sarmenta and Moy Lañez and our In This Corner team right here returning to Binangonan for Bakbakan sa Binangonan 2. Glad you're with us here in This Corner where many careers start and we're glad to give them a boost every step of the way. Alam mo, pagka na tumutungtong na ng Las Vegas or somewhere else in the world, you feel a nice tinge of pride because alam mo kung saan ang galing itong mga ito eh, no?
Oo. Katulad na ngayon na Bernabe Concepcion. Nino Bumbong Bautista.
Even those fighters that we had them early on, we would go more often to Cebu then, ano?
Sigures.
That's why it was a special pleasure to be able to be with them during that World Cup thing. And boy, they were, many of them, if not all, except Jerry yata, would be in this corner graduates. Ano?
Oh, yes. Pero si Jerry, nakalaban din sa atin yan, ang WBC International Fight sa Makati.
Sa Makati. I remember that, yeah.
Mga
Looping left hand on target na hindi nakita ni
Guliman.
Guliman. Hindi niya nakita. Guliman trying to mix it up in the interior, but Sonsona's hands just a tad too quick.
Kaya maganda magmatay yung Sansona eh, ha? Kulang pala sa dami na suntok.
You know, if you've grown up around boxing all your life, you've watched what works and what doesn't work.
Totoo.
You observe, you listen, you pick up the tips. Then, siyempre, pagka walang tao, maglalagay ka ng glove sa kamay mo, boxing ka. Pinagagalitan ka, kasi sasabihin, malit ka pa, pero doon din patungo yun eh.
Talaga, nasa harap ka na salmi, suntok ka na suntok doon.
Sit ka ng sit.
Oo, na parang kang loko, pero doon nag-uumpisa makagaling na boksingero.
Yung shadow boxing, hindi naman nawawala yun sa karir ng boksingero. Gagawin yun, ano ha? Samantala, you like the effort of Guliman to stay in the thick of the fight, continues to throw punches. There were moments when he was really ready na mahulog na talaga eh, no? Medyo na-sustain lang niya dahil mas patak yung katawan niya eh.
Saka matapang. Alam mo, Seb,
well, yung tapang yung
yung matapang tinamaan mo, ayaw groggy na, pero pinipilit niya makalaban pa eh.
Parang may invisible, intangible na tumutulak sa kanya patayo.
Oo.
Kahit napukpukin mo ng pukpukin, hindi talaga tuhulog eh. Samantala, both fighters trying to slug it out here in the final 10 seconds of the penultimate round of this 4-rounder.
Kada bitaw ni Sansona, huli ng huli, pero dala noong ano eh. Dala noong Guliman eh. Meron ka po yung slow mo natin. Kita nyo po ang binitaman na yun ni Berben Sansona. Huling-huli po si Guliman, pero baliwala po kay Guliman, no? Kaya ito po ang ating mga nanonood dito, mga all senior citizen na kamukha ko. Nanonood po sa In This Corner.
Ito yung samahang discount card.
Oo.
Okay? Yung isang nagdidirect dyan ay pa umamin eh.
Oo. Pero ano ha, pag kami papasok sa restaurant, kami naroon na dito, napapailing na ganyan mga waiter. Ito na, 3 discount card. Oo.
Kasarapan naman ninyo kumain tatlo.
Hindi, binibigay naman namin pabalik yung aming
Wala naman question yan. Samantala ba? May mata iniisip nitong gulingan ha?
Oo, dahil tingin niya, last round na ito, kailangan.
Yes. He knows he's behind it. Alam mo.
Oh yes.
Salamat po sa ating mga tagapagtaguyod, San Miguel Pier at saka ang Ginebra San Miguel. Dakal pong salamat.
Alam mo, yung suntok nung Sansona, puro yung talagang kita mong swak na swak, pero dadala po nung Guliman eh.
Okay. Samantala, Guliman trying to pound and pummel Sonsona, but Sonsona just knows how to pick his spots. Look at that left hand. That left hand is there.
Matibay yung Guliman. Gogi po yan. Muna nakikita halos yan.
And referee Garcia trying to make a decision here. He's trying to make a decision. He's looking at Guliman very sharply. He's trying to wonder, when should I step in? He's about to make a move. May tinatapon pa naman yung Guliman, but he's being taxed seriously here. Oh, yes. Referee Garcia says that's enough. That is enough. I thought so.
Tama naman dahil solid
Oh,
yung
look at
tumatama. Tsaka ang putok, lumaki. Pero yun, tingin ko, suntok yung tumama uli. Yung follow-up, Well, maganda pinakita po ni Sonsona, although veterano ang kalaban.
6 or 7 na sunod-sunod yun eh, no?
Oo, yun,
Hindi pa tumutulo rito mo yan, no?
Oo, wala pa eh, Groggy.
Ito yung Groggy na 3. Doon tumulo na, May tumulo na ron,
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Yun. May tinamaan na dun sa
Wala na sense of balance,
Wala na Nasanda na lang sa lubid
Okay,
Pero-
this fight ends in a...
Kanina gusto nang awatin ni
napahanda na siya, no?
Oo, pero ang inaanhalaan niya,
Kasi sumusuntok pa.
kumakawag Pero ang kita niya, mga tama, puro solid
At saka wala nang mapupuntahan.
Oo.
At saka he was not defending himself anymore. Wala na siyang pupuntahan. And referee Garcia just stepping in at the right time, at the right moment. He knew. Medyo ito yung motion niya. That's enough, guys. You've had enough.
Tsaka mukha ni referee Garcia, tama na, kawawa naman.
Let's not prolong the agony, so to speak. Let's send it to the top of the ring for Boyle Llanera's announcement. Boy?
Ladies and gentlemen, your official time, 1 minute and 34 seconds in round number 4 for your winner by TKO victory, Marvin Sonsona.
Well, technical knockout po doon ang panalo ni Marvin Sonsona. Well, ito kung tingin ko, ito isa sa mga batang inaasahan po natin na
I agree.
pagdating ng araw, makikita po natin sa Las Vegas at saka Los Angeles.
So far, a good night for the Wildcard Boxing Gym. And they've scored some big wins here this evening so far. So Marvin Sonsona goes home with a TKO win against Noel Guliman.